Jai Hind student, welcome to English class. So students, today we will start a new poem, that is Mending Wall, which is written by Robert Frost. Now before starting the explanation and before discussing the theme of this poem, let's have a look about the poet. Let's have a look about the poet's life. Now, Robert Frost, he was born on 26th March 1874 in San Francisco. Okay, and he is the poet of this poem Mending Wall, and he began to take interest in reading and writing poetry when he was studying high school in Lawrence. Okay, so he started taking interest. He was fascinated by this idea of writing the poem. My Butterfly was his first published poem, which appeared on November 8, 1894 in the Independent. Frost's poetry was greatly inspired by his wife, Eleanor Miriam White, who died in 1938. Now, there are some British poets like Edward Thomas, Rupert Brooke, and Robert Graves. They had also influence uh, that Robert Frost, the poet, he was influenced by these poets also. Now, uh, what happened? This Robert Frost, he moved to England when his early poetry was not successful. So he started writing, okay, when he was in high school, but in early writings, अगर हम बात करें, in the beginning, he didn't get any recognition. So what happened? He moved to England, and then his first volume of poetry, A Boy's Will, and it was published by the British publisher. And when his second book of poem, North of Boston, became a bestseller, he returned to America. Okay, after recognition, after getting fame, he again, after publishing his second set of poems, so he returned to America back, and soon he developed into a much respected poet. Now, basically, he deals with simple themes in common everyday language, mostly set in an American countryside. The Road Not Taken is one of the most famous poetry written by him. Other popular poems, if we talk about, for example, Stopping by the Woods on the Snowy Evening, then Mending Wall, of course, this poem which we'll be studying in the next lectures, then Out and Acquainted with the Night. So these are some of his work. He won 4 Pulitzer Prize for his poetry in 1924, then 31, 37, and 43. Now, no poet before him had won as many. So he was the one who bagged so many prizes. Okay, and at the age of 86, Frost was asked to write and recite a poem for President John F. Kennedy's inauguration, and it was the first time that an American poet had been given such an honor. So that was something very honorable for him. Now let's talk about the introduction of Mending Wall. So as you all know, Mending Wall poem is one of the best poem from his poetry, from his second collection of poetry, जिसको हम नॉर्थ ऑफ बॉस्टन से जानते, उसी का ही मेंडिंग वॉल जो है, दैट इज़ वन ऑफ हिज बेस्ट वर्क, एंड इट वाज पब्लिश्ड इन 1914. Like most of the poem in the above mentioned character, Mending Wall, this poem, it is the story which is based on rural area, okay, New England, and this story is about the fence, about the wall, which is rebuilt every spring between the lands of two New England farmers. So this poem is about the two, we can say, two people, okay, two people who every year these two people, every year they meet and they repair the wall. So this poem is basically based on the repairing of the wall. Then it is also about the significance, how what is the significance of the wall, what is the what a wall symbolizes, that also we'll be talking about. What is the theme of this poem? Okay, so this is all about the introduction and about the poet. So this is all, student. Thank you, everybody.